we have to put first things first. Because before of anything you're called for, you're called to be a saint of God. Because if you can be a saint of God, don't look to do anything great for God. Because He's calling you first to be a saint. The problem we have today is that many has responded to this call of God and tried to do the will of God before they learn to be a saint of God. Yeah. But before they learn to be pure and blameless, and really, the root of that is self-will. God doesn't call leaders, He called followers. Yes. And then through the demonstration, as you have gone through these previous 11 steps of faithfulness, then you will be promoted to leadership. So, as you were given 11 steps, and this is the first, the 12th step, which is fulfillment. You have to fulfill all these steps, not some, but all of these steps in order for you to truly enter the realms of apostolship. Then you can have not self-satisfaction, but satisfaction within the glory of God. Like Brother Paul had when he looked back on his apostolship, when he looked back on his suffering,